On December 26, 1991, the Soviet Union was officially dissolved, giving rise to numerous successor states, most notably the Russian Federation. But have you ever wondered whether Soviet citizens supported this decision? Well, there was a referendum held on this very question 9 months earlier, on March 17, 1991. And while attitudes across the many Soviet republics differed, the overall outcome of the referendum might surprise you. The question asked in the referendum was as follows: do you consider it necessary to preserve the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics as a renewed federation of equal sovereign republics in which the rights and freedoms of a person of any nationality will be fully guaranteed? Now, given that the Soviet Union was an authoritarian state, you might think that the results of any referendum could easily be faked and were therefore worthless. This one, however, was closely observed by delegations from the USA and European Union. The Western observers concluded that the referendum was conducted in a fair and free manner, and despite the enormous voter turnout of 80%, there was little to no evidence of systemic fraud. And as for the results, almost 78% of Soviet citizens supported preserving the USSR, with majority support for its preservation in all participating republics, being highest in Turkmenistan at 98.3% and lowest in Ukraine at 70.2%. What made the referendum less meaningful, however, was that 6 republics, the 3 Baltic nations, Armenia, Georgia, and Moldova, outright refused to participate. Despite this apparent majority support, rising nationalism, declining economic performance, and the absence of a true reform plan for the USSR meant that the Union would collapse only shortly after the referendum. Now, as always, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and become a channel member to support the work we do.